lovely. Welcome back again in the kitchen where Chef Ricardo cooking show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. We're always making your special dishes, you know what I mean, all kind of dish you know you will love. But basically today we want to simply say to you, we want to make you something really nice and beautiful. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, please leave your comments below. It's very important. Visit our blog website at chefricardocooking.com, or you can get my cooking book on Amazon to buy. There's a 50% off at the moment. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe, and this is what we're gonna make for you today. Enjoy.